This is Origins 3723. The way this works is real simple. We are going to randomize this list of teams 5 times. The team on top at the end will go to the person spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to the person spot number 30. It's pretty simple. Here we go. That's 5 times on the 6 spin. We randomize it one more time. Top 5 teams get a spot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nets are on top. The Hornets are on bottom. That's 5 times. We'll get rid of the randomizer. Drop it in exactly where you've picked up your spots for this one. After this, we're going to randomize this list one more time. Whoever's on top gets the spots, the top 5. Here we go. 5. One more time. It'll say 6 times right there. Top 5 get 1. Grizz, Wiz, Warriors, Pacers, Nets. Grizz, Wiz, Warriors, Pacers, Nets. Grizz, Wiz, Warriors, Pacers, Nets. Grizz. Spot 21, Dylan Pritchard. Wiz, Grizz, Warriors, Pacers, Nets. Warriors in spot 23 to Graham Howes. Still picking up a couple. Grizz, Wiz, Warriors. Grizz, Wiz. Sorry, it was Grizz, Wiz, Warriors, Pacers, Nets. The Wizards are with spot 29, Craig Harbert. So Dylan, Craig, Graham. Pacers are with Indiana. Spot 2 to Matthew Valentine is the Pacers. And the Nets are in spot... Well, they won? They were. Matthew Valentine. Jeez, just cleaning up those bonus spots. Alrighty, and that's how it looks to me. Good luck to everybody else in the actual box. Craig, how you doing, buddy? All right. Ooh, I like this. I like the shade of that green there. Here we go. A red Pascal Siakam. Fred Van Geet. Bogdan Bogdanovic for the Atlanta Hawks. Kemba Walker. Kemba Walker teal to just 25 for the Boston Celtics. And a... Oh, wow. 5 of 5 Jordan Nwora patch. That's bloody pretty. 5 of 5 Nwora for the Bucks. And that is Cody Edwards. He's up and about in the chat. And then auto for the Hawks on Onyeka Okongwu. And that is 3723 in the books.